Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Periscope OS system on your M5StickS3 using the M5Burner app. Start by opening the M5Burner application. On the left-hand side, select your device and choose the Stick S3. From there, scroll down until you find Periscope OS Wi-Fi Attacker Radar, then click on it. Before flashing, make sure your M5StickS3 is connected with a USB data cable. A charging cable only won't work. To put the device into flash mode, hold down the boot and reset button while plugging it into your computer. I usually hold them down for about 3 seconds before I plug it into my device. Once your device is detected, select the correct COM port. Then click Burn. The flashing process only takes a few seconds. When it's flashed, your M5StickS3 will reboot into the Periscope OS, and you'll be ready to go. So what exactly is the Periscope OS? Periscope OS turns your M5StickS3 into a portable Wi-Fi reconnaissance and spectrum analyze tool. Instead of transmitting signals, it's designed to passively monitor nearby 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi activity only, giving you a real-time view of what's happening around you without actively interacting with nearby networks. It's useful for learning about wireless environments, visualizing RF activity, checking channel congestion, and educational wireless security research. One of the coolest things about it is the radar-style interface. Rather than displaying a plain list of networks, it presents nearby wireless activity in a way that feels like you're using a tactical radar display, making it much easier and honestly more fun to understand what's happening in the air around you. And here's a fun fact. Even though M5Stick is about the size of a USB flash drive, it has enough processing power to continuously scan Wi-Fi channels and render that live radar display in real time. It's a great example of how much capability can fit into such a tiny device.